Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the Vega foam spray insulation kit. We'll do the unboxing here. So here's what comes in the kit, or how the box looks when you bring the kit out. Alright, so it's supposed to be a whole kit. You got the gun, I'm assuming the suit to be the cleaner, and then the box of foam right here. Okay, and there's a coupon code on our box that had the, for further orders. So that's kind of nice. So we're going to do a spray. It really does have pretty much everything except the respirator. So gloves, full body suit, cleaner nozzle. I think that's what that is. And then instructions. It does have like an N95 mask and the 9205 easy breathing mask, which is a pretty nice mask for heated situations where it's really hot. This breathes a lot better than a regular mask. Overall, really nice kit, pretty well boxed. The metal up here, we're going to try to get, you can feel it right now, the radiant heat is just crazy. So we need to get that radiant heat to stop. We've sealed in some of the cracks. We're going to go ahead and put the purple foam on and do the rest. I've never done this purple foam before, so this is a learning experience. We got to keep it 12 to 18 inches away. We're in a window of time where the application temperature, it seems to be pretty correct. It's a little bit warmer, so that foam will adhere and do its thing. So let's try it and see what happens. So I laid our first can down, turned out pretty good. Wanting to spray it down a little bit thicker, and the gun itself works good, but we're going to go ahead and put on the adapter so that I can get a little bit more clearance. Where did I put that tap? It's going to allow us to spray into the little corners better, because the can always has to stay upside down. So we'll see if this works better. Let's see if this works better or not. Well, it's definitely more messy. You do have more control over the tip. Starting and stopping with this tip, however, is super hard. Kind of a nightmare. Probably should be using a different tip. Flat tip would probably be a better idea. So instead of using the up tip, I should use the flat tip. I'm going to use that next. Alright, so put on a flat tip. I'll test it in. So what I did is I tested it in a corner so I could get my spray rate right. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. I am making a total mess. And yeah, it is just the messiest. Oh my gosh. Okay, took a little break. Round 2, we're gonna keep going. Our Vega kit is, it has all the tools that we needed to do this. So I'm happy with the kit. You get a really substantial discount on the second kit when you buy it on Amazon, from what I saw at the time of this recording. And 12 cans did about a 12 by 12 room worth of ceiling. And I got it to about 1 to 3 inches, let's just put it that way. I was pretty consistent, more consistent than some, not as consistent as others. When you're dealing with a low pressure system like this, it's really tough to anticipate when the gun's gonna shoot, what's coming out of it right away, and it like balances out because it's all in a can, so you got a lot of high pressure in this low pressure system. It's hard to explain, but you got like a lot of pressure at first, then it equals out a little bit as you're spraying, and then it falls off at the end of the can. And once you learn how the can starts, what's in the middle and ends, it becomes easier. So the first few bottles, if you get this stuff, you might not be so happy, but as you learn how to do it, it gets substantially easier. And this stuff has grip. It was holding on to everything, and I was impressed with it. So this is Ryan with Backroad Reviews, Backroad Homesteading, Backroads, all the things. See you in the next video.